Okay, so hopefully we don't drop frames. One thing. All right. Today, first target is to have some visualizer settings. So we have things like show interior, how that works. So, I don't remember where I put this. It's gonna be under here. The panel's already expanded, so let's just check. Okay. Well, that does what it's supposed to do mostly. Yes. Hey, Rory. Wow, Rory's alive. Nice seeing you again. Welcome. So we have the interior setting. And then we're gonna have a few colors. Yeah, hasn't most people. Yeah, either it's done or you're ready for a new year. So, good stuff. So, here we are. Let's... Hey, Altitude. Welcome back. How's it going? Okay. So here we need color picker. Okay. That is very large. Let's see if that works first. So, what we want to do let me think. It shows the color picker. And that should be its own pop-up, I think. So we're just gonna kidnap a button. There should be a way to figure multiple pickers with one picker, but that's interesting. Yeah, so panel is should be setting to fit. Okay, absolute position. Yeah, so want to deal with the size. Is there a way I can scale the context? Yeah, so that's not what you want. Kind of annoying, but that's what we have to deal with. So, color picker. Nice. Own pop-up panel. Because we enjoy pop-up panels. So that's kind of gist of it here. Okay. So we want to configure this panel. Okay. So I guess we want to work on functionality of these two first before going through with anything else. So with show interior, something simple. Okay, so we do have a big draw function somewhere. Where are you? Okay, it's here. No, it's not here. It is here. Okay. So cartridge drawer. So we just do this functionality first. That's where it is. We can do interior, false, nice. That can help us. Okay, so projectile jacket matching here. I don't see any real difference. So I guess I removed that part. That makes sense. So I guess it's determined within that. Hey Mika, our first objective is to work on the upgrading the cartridge visualizer a little bit. And after that, I have some ideas for the combat system. Okay, full jacket, that's a little bit different. Okay, so we draw the jacket first, that makes sense. And then here we'll do a match of if interior. Then we do this again. These are all the same. What if I put this here? Should be a little bit easier for me. So that's what we'll do. So now we just have to configure the checkbox. Jar dot interior equals something. Okay. It's this checked. Should be. Yep. Do that. Don't remember how I handle checkboxes. I think it's something along the lines of is pressed. Should be up here. Okay. Yep. There it is. Nice. Yeah, so did have the right idea. Just forgot. Pretty normal. Okay. So that's that. So if we take something like yeah, so about that, Mika, maybe I just didn't look at it well enough, but what I saw is that you have to enumerate the name basically, and then you add that on top. Like, it makes sense. I'm just not sure how many extra stuff that adds. Because I did see in Godot 4 that that was possible, so I did look a little bit into it. Maybe didn't look very into it, but I did look a little bit into it. Okay, so you kind of see that that works. It's just that the jacket color is a bit ugly, so yeah. So that part does work. Should have this. Ah, okay. That's useful. Okay, so unique names are easy. All right. That's very helpful. Thank you. That's going to be part of the next UI blocks that I work on. Guess we can try it now. Ah, okay. That's how it works. Well, first way is to try, so we'll try. Let me just read that. Oops. Ready to go. Yeah, it makes sense. Definitely makes sense in why you would use it. Percent visualizer. Okay. Hopefully I can make it work in the first try, but may not happen. Something like that. And then we'll set the above here. Does this thing have a position? Yes, it doesn't. No, I'm just looking at the wrong place. Where am I? Yeah, that makes sense. Sometimes you do want to kind of have the same button name, though, if you have a lot of buttons. Like here I do have them named, they're just generic names. For some of them. But yeah, that makes sense. Layout. I don't know why I can't think right now, but does margin continue out of position? Probably does. We should make a shortcut for that. Nice, okay. That is what we want. Oh yeah. That's a problem. So we're going to put that in. Because I renamed it. Can I do this? You can't. Can you do that with unique names? I'll have to search it up. Documentation time. A same scene limitation. Okay, so I can't do that, but I have to do it manually. See if that works. You can put in the middle, as I've seen in the documentation. Nice. Okay. That works. Nice. Okay. So there's an update. Fine. I have to make it a bit as well, I'm pretty sure. And then be happy with that. And call it. Yeah. So I'm just putting it in line with some other stuff. There we go. Yeah, default jacket color doesn't look amazing when it's on the top layer. So have to work on the rest of the drawer. Draw casing. You just remember how draw casing works. Yeah, so we're gonna have to kind of edit the model a little bit. The colors is the original one, I assume. We can hijack this. Oh no. Either one is interesting. So I'm just gonna put this on exterior. So if exterior, then you don't need some of this. Yeah, it's not complex, it's just long, mostly. So if exterior. Actually, I'm gonna put interior here. So it lines up with the rest, so I don't confuse myself more. It's always a good thing. There's colors too. And we shoot for that. Nice. Okay, that's all good. Yeah, I haven't done repeated rim yet, so dang. Yeah, if interior, you don't need to do all this. Or it's if it's interior only. Ah, okay. This is all if interior as well. So that goes in there. Okay, everyone's happy. Oh, that's cool though that you made a 3D cartridge designer. Cool project. Okay. We're almost there. Yeah, it looks a little bit... looks very flat. That's where the color picker comes in. Yeah, you need to put a part on the casing at the top. Oh, nice. That's cool. You have a specialty in mind? Ooh, software architecture. Nice. There we go. It may be different things. Pretty sure software architect, probably different. Hey, look, it works. Next part. Yeah, it would be interesting. I just don't have that expertise. Can definitely start learning. Shadows reflection. I'm not too sure how to start going on it because it is a completely generated graphic. Do I put a shader over it? I'll finish this stuff first before I try to attempt that. Okay, pop. Oh. Picker. Why is it separated? What? But yeah, so we have this. And then we feed the color. We do need the default colors, and then we'll do... Yeah, no, I was just confused that, like, even though they put color picker as one word in the signal, it separates it with an underscore. Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah. Camel case and snake case. Yes, you're correct. You did not get the terms wrong. Okay, so we feed in the color. Alright, see you, Rory. Glad to have you here. Yeah, both are valid options. I'm used to camel case just because I don't like typing underscores, but also it's not extremely useful, in my opinion, because if you do like if you control arrow key, then it just skips through. I'm sure some editors have the setting to change that, but No, Control Shift. Sorry, I figure out. Yeah, Control Arrow key. Okay, so here we're gonna have to start compartmentalizing this because I did not use I used the prototyping mindset, as they say, here. So yeah, gonna have to fix that. So this is the casing color. Oh yeah, did you know that I have scrolling? Side scrolling? Oh, I don't have the annoying. Dang, nah, you have a future. Gotta believe in yourself. Yeah, so I have to change all of this. Because if I want to make it editable, I cannot use practice. Okay. The color. Yeah, but I want to easily edit it, so. Am I going to change the background color at all? Okay, yeah, no, I won't. So I can keep that. So this. Yes. Yeah, saving resources within resources is definitely one of the experiences of all time. So we're just going to replace here. Should be fine and dandy there. Okay. So we are going to change that. Yeah, Rixas runs on resources. Okay, so we have color. It's nice. And then we're gonna have to make that pop up. Anyways, let's make the unique thing a habit. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay. And then 1. And we want to set the position. Color, paper panel 1, not position. This is difficult. So nice. That's interesting. Yeah, definitely. If it isn't reported anywhere, you should definitely report it on the forums, and they will fix it. Because they do make us silly occasionally. Normally they're very good, but if you have a large team of developers, that's what happens sometimes. Ooh. I have not unlocked this cartridge yet. That is funnier than I thought it would be. That's cool. Making a silhouette. Not what I intended, but funny nonetheless. Act color array. Let's look into the code to see what we could be missing. Yeah, not sure what's going on there. Oh, it's because I don't have it yet. Okay, I have to reload the game. Interesting. That's the outside. Oh, yeah. That's a problem. I'm surprised it didn't crash. Okay, clearly something's wrong. Oh, I did something stupid. Interesting. What did I do this time? Okay, that's what I did. Oh, okay. I haven't seen the 4.4 roadmap yet. There's still bugs in 4.3 to fix, which might be affecting me right now, can't tell. From the snapshot, yeah. Yeah, interpolation is very useful. Always. There we go. Okay. And then sample, pick red. My eyes hurt. We have accidentally made a domination against humanity. It's fine. We do it organically. Yeah, it's kind of funny. You're gonna have to make it be able to go back later on. Why are there activity cards? Yeah, that's what I was planning. So you have somewhat predicted my next move after all of this, but yeah. That is what is intended. And set color defaults. Change it back. And I have to save these color settings as well. So. Rixas save system is just resource files. Nothing fancy. Godot has given me resources, so that's what I'm using. Okay. Whoa. Wait, what do you mean? I am not sure what you're referring to. Directly using them? Wait, you mean like saving designers? My designers don't use resources, I don't think. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean. Unfortunately. Call this color picker button 2, I guess. So this is pretty nice. Okay, so we have these ones. I'm gonna have to strip these ones of their signals as per normal. Oh, what did I call the cartridge color? I have to strip that as well. Okay. So what are we doing? Projectile color pressed. Uh, I mean, it's kind of similar in that you load a resource and turn it into a class. And then when you save, you just put it back into the resource file or a new one, but similar. Yeah, it did not follow CalCase problem. Alright, yeah, it was nice to see you on. Usually it's a bit too late for you to hop on the stream. But yeah, nice to see you here. Good luck with your first year at uni. What? Ain't no way I named the same thing. Okay. Should be good. So we put this here. And then we can change the number very simply. Nothing special. And we have 3 different color pickers, so we're gonna have to change those signals in where they go. So this one's the projectile color change. And this one, we have the jacket color change, or also band. Really depends. Dude. What is going on here? You don't have a projectile cover yet. So you have jacket color. Very nice. And then we also need to change Heat a mushroom human. So the game I am making is Rixas. Some additional information should be in the description. So what it's about, it's basically, in short form, a military grand strategy game, or semi-4X game, where you aren't in full control of everything, but you are able to inspire new designs and customization. You can customize down to the cartridge and the individual powder, and also individual backpack gear, rifles, of course, and vehicles, and so on. The estimated release date is very hard to tell because I am busy, and I'm back to a one-man team. It was like two people for like a month, but the other person is, I don't know, they have died or something. Because all of their open source projects are also completely dead. I'm not sure what happened to him. I hope he's okay. Yeah, here you have a bunch of different designers, like, for example, the barrel. Wow, and you have this nice little visualizer here. So if you like, so it will be more accessible for people who don't care about some of the complexity, but for right now, main target is for people who do enjoy a complexity, as you can see. If you like charts, if you like physics, if you like engineering, this is the game for you. Yeah, see a bunch of different stats, stat lines. Yeah, thanks. Also, grenades are a new addition. Grenades look cool. I think I outdid myself with the detail here. And of course, other than the designers, all the different designers, of course, you can already design your troop concentrations, so if you're familiar with any military charts, it should be very hyped to you. And of course, there's a map and combat, which is in development as well. So really just kinda picking things up to what I find interesting at the time. Of course, working on the main build of the game, but really have a loading screen with this. Yeah, basic map, basic terrain generation. Nothing special, but very serviceable, very nice. Not really at a scale seen for any other grand strategy games, so pretty excited for that. You can see them, kinds of information, dig in, stuff like that. But yeah, that's just the main gist of the game. Yeah, hope you're interested. If you're not, share with friends who might be interested in it. And then back to work. But yeah, thanks for asking. You can also play a demo, which is very outdated, but there. Also, if you're confused, we have a surprisingly large Discord community of people, and many of them are pretty competent in the system so far. Yeah, so I think, let me check the description of the video. Yeah, so in the description, you should see the game page, and that should lead you to the itch.io download for the demo, and also the Discord link as well, which is on the description in the itch page. Also in the description as well for the Discord, I believe. Yeah, no problem. Can my color picker go outside? I'm actually curious. No, it can't. Stay inside the game. I like the lighter one a bit better. I'm gonna modify it. Invisible bullet. And then we're gonna have to save the color as well, and that goes in. So, interesting bits. I think I should do like a 5-second. Yeah, saw you. Welcome. Welcome to the community. Also, the community is pretty friendly, all things considered. Surprisingly friendly, given the nature of the game's content. But I guess that's what I get for trying to at least curate my community a little bit. A little bit of moderation goes a long way. You need more moderators, though. You need more moderators, though. Yeah, it's looking very good. So, thinking we can continue. And yeah, so those are 3 main colors. And I think we're doing the color bands as well. I forgot what the other game called it. Excuse me if you hear another video playing in the background, just to check. Mute it. They do not have a thing. And post it. Okay. Unfortunately, my only semi-competitors seems to be dead, like me. Unless they were on vacation, but let's see. I guess, what will we call it? Like a lower band? Let's put in another label. What? No. I think we would call it like a base color or something. Base paint. Don't know what I'd call it. Oh yeah, this doesn't work for these rounds, I don't think. Yeah, we're gonna have to change that. It does not work. Intended. How does that work again? So we go to the drawer? I'm guessing. So when we go here, and then we have like the soft cap, hard cap, etc. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do something. Okay. So my concentration is dying. I'm surprised I lasted this long. Anyways, I will be heading out. Anyways, check the game out. Thank you for watching.